One transformation that we can do to functions are reflections. And reflections are obtained by negatives in the function. So if you have a function f of x and you place a negative in front of it, um, then the way that we get that graph is we take the graph of f of x and we reflect it in the x-axis. Okay, that means that the x-axis acts as sort of a mirror between these two functions, f of x and negative f of x. If we replace all the x's with a negative, then we take our graph of f of x and we reflect it in the y-axis. So then the y-axis will act as a sort of mirror between those two. So let me just do a quick sketch here. If we had a graph like this, let's just say this is f of x, all right? And we wanted to sketch negative f of x, all right? Well, negative f of x, we reflect this graph in the x-axis. So that means we take this curve and we reflect it down, and hopefully I can kind of, yeah, that's the idea. Obviously it's not perfect here, but you take that curve, you reflect it in the x-axis. So this x-axis is this kind of line of symmetry between these two. So this is negative f of x. And then if we wanted f of negative x, that's reflecting f of x in the y-axis. And so we would that right there. This would be f of a negative x.